Windows are one of the most essential components of your home. They provide natural light, ventilation, and views of your surrounding environment. Over time, however, windows can become worn out, leading to reduced performance, compromised energy efficiency, and even security risks. If you're a homeowner in West Columbia, it's important to keep an eye out for the signs that indicate your windows need replacement. Replacing your windows not only improves your home's aesthetic appeal, but it also enhances comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Here are some common signs that it may be time to replace your windows. Increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is a sudden increase in your energy bills. Older or inefficient windows can allow heat to escape during the winter and cool air to leak out in the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain the desired indoor temperature, leading to higher utility costs. If you notice a steady increase in your heating or cooling bills and suspect that your windows are contributing to energy loss, it may be time to consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows. These windows are designed with multi-pane glass and insulating frames to keep air in and unwanted temperature fluctuations out, improving your home's overall energy efficiency. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel drafts coming from your windows, even when they're closed, that's a clear sign that they may be failing in terms of insulation. Air leaks around the edges of your windows can let in cold or hot air, making your home uncomfortable and increasing the workload on your HVAC system. To check for air leaks, perform a simple test by holding a lit candle or incense stick near the edges of your window. If the smoke blows sideways or the flame flickers, air is leaking through. In these cases, window replacement can eliminate drafts and restore a more comfortable indoor environment. Visible condensation between window pane. If you have double pane windows and notice condensation or fog between the panes of glass, this is a clear indication that the seal has failed. The purpose of double pane windows is to provide insulation by trapping a layer of air between the panes. When the seal breaks, moisture can accumulate inside, which affects the performance and appearance of your windows. While a broken seal doesn't usually affect the structural integrity of the window, it compromises its insulation capabilities and can lead to reduced energy efficiency. If condensation is visible between the panes, it's time to replace the windows to restore proper insulation and eliminate the unsightly moisture buildup. Difficulty opening and closing the windows. If your windows are difficult to open or close, it could be a sign that they've become warped, damaged, or out of alignment. Windows that don't open or close properly can be a major inconvenience, especially in emergency situations where you need to quickly exit your home. Furthermore, sticking windows can be caused by moisture damage or rotting frames, making it even harder to operate them. If your windows are becoming a hassle to operate, it's best to replace them with newer, more functional ones that will provide ease of use, improved security, and better overall performance. Visible damage or decay. Physical damage to your windows is an obvious sign that it's time for a replacement. Whether it's cracked glass, rotting wood, or damaged frames, any visible damage can compromise the integrity of your windows. Over time, moisture can seep into the frames, causing them to swell or rot. This can not only affect your window's functionality but also lead to mold growth or structural damage in the surrounding walls. If you notice significant damage to your window frames or glass, it's a good idea to have them replaced as soon as possible to avoid further issues and improve the security of your home. Outside noise is more noticeable. Windows play a critical role in soundproofing your home. If you're noticing that outside noise, such as traffic or noisy neighbors, is becoming more noticeable inside your home, your windows might not be doing a good job of keeping the noise out. Older windows, especially those with single panes or worn-out seals, are less effective at blocking sound. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows can help reduce noise pollution and create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. You're renovating or upgrading your home. Even if your current windows are still functioning well, you might consider replacing them if you're renovating or upgrading other parts of your home. New windows can complement the style of your remodel and help you achieve a more modern or energy-efficient home. For instance, if you've upgraded your insulation or added energy-efficient appliances, replacing your old windows with new ones that match your home's design can make your home more cohesive and improve its overall value. The windows appear outdated. Aesthetic appeal matters when it comes to the exterior of your home. If your windows look outdated or mismatched with your home's overall style, it could be time to replace them. Old-fashioned windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and make your home appear neglected. Modern windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials that can instantly enhance the look of your home. Whether you're looking for classic wood frames, sleek vinyl, or fiberglass windows, replacing outdated windows can improve your home's exterior and give it a fresh, updated appearance. Conclusion: time to upgrade your windows? Windows are an integral part of your home's comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, such as increased energy bills, difficulty opening and closing, or visible damage, it might be time to consider window replacement. Not only will new windows enhance the look of your home, but they'll also improve your home's energy efficiency, sound insulation, and overall security. For West Columbia homeowners, upgrading to new windows is an investment that pays off in both comfort and long-term savings. Whether you're replacing a few windows or doing a full upgrade, new windows can make your home more beautiful, functional, and energy efficient for years to come.